ಚೆಕ್ ಹರೀಶ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರೀಶ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಹರೀಶ್.
ಈಗೇನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಮೈಕ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದು
ಏ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಏನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ, ಮೈಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುರು ಬರ್ತದ.
ಹರೀಶ್ ಹರೀಶ್
ಹಲೋ
ಹರೀಶ್
ಹಲೋ
ಬಂತಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಹರೀಶ್
ಹಲೋ
ಹರೀಶ್
ಹಲೋ ಚೆಕ್
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ
ಚೆಕ್
ಹಲೋ
ಹರೀಶ್
ಹಲೋ
ಹರೀಶ್
1 2 3 ಚೆಕ್
ಬಂತಾ?
ಹಲೋ ಮೈಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3
ಹಲೋ ಚೆಕ್
ಹಲೋ
1 2 3 ಚೆಕ್
ಚೆಕ್ 1 2 3 ಚೆಕ್ ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಓಕೆ ಹಲೋ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಂತು ಅದು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ
Hello. 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 My testing 1 2 3 4. Hello. 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 My testing 1 2 3 4. Hello. 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 Hello.
It is only recording purpose for radio station, all India radio station.
Okay.
It is a mic, sir.
Live.
No, sir, no, recording, sir. After that, we are broadcasting, sir.
Okay.
So it is only recording, sir. It is a speaker mic, sir.
We have to on it now.
It is already on. We made up.
Okay.
It's come live, sir.
Good morning to all.
नहीं वो क्या है ये इसका यम हनुमंत
वो उनको बोल देता हूँ
हाँ
नहीं लिख दो ना, इस वाली कागज पे लिख दो मुझे।
कागज बना क्या
ये इधर ही लिखे
एम हनुमंतप्पा। हाँ तो ये तो है मेरे पास बेसिकली। PHAPPA।
हाँ वही है हनुमंत
तो ये तो याद है मुझे। HANUNANTHAPPA
हाँ वही है
है ना?
वही है
उसको बोल के आना क्या
नहीं मुझे लिखना हो चेक है उसको मुझे तो अवार्ड नहीं वो एक प्राइज मनी है, एक सम्मानित राशि होती है क्योंकि रेगुलर चलता है। तो जब एनुअल कर दिया तो एनुअल देना ही है, तो हमें एनुअल कंटिन्यू है। लास्ट टाइम उनको था वेकेशन को। चमन गच्चा मार गया, बहुत बदमाश है यार।
नहीं आता है वो
हैं? हाँ बदमाशी पे आ गया, चालाक बन गया सामने आते हुए।
को उधर भेजना। ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
स्टूडेंट आया तो होता है सर,
पीजी स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आते हैं, पीजी स्टूडेंट्स
लगे हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट लगे हैं सर।
कैसे
वो प्ले करते हैं
every day we play 35 every day. Don't fail whatever may be the work, whatever may be the tension. 6:30 to
enjoy your life. You are carrying this all tension of your tension to your home.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಂತಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ರ
ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಗೀತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ
ಸುಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೊಕೇಶನ್
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು?
हेलो वो बोले थे ना, हाँ 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 इधर होगा कोई
स्वामी महादेव स्वामी कोई फूड में है, कोई किधर है, वो कैसे आते हैं? तो स्टूडेंट के लिए तो प्रेजेंटेशन पे क्या होगा, उनको भी करना, छोटे में करना। देखो सुमन सुन रहे भी गाना सुनने वाले को, उसने जान बुझ के गाना सुनने वाले को नहीं किया वो
कल बोल रही थी कुछ
हाँ
शी वाज टेलिंग आई डोंट नो कि मेरा कुछ प्रोग्राम है सॉन्ग आई डोंट नो आई वाज नॉट गेटिंग आई वाज वर्किंग इन द लैपटॉप
हाँ
वो सिंह साहब को सुना रहे थे कुछ पता नहीं क्या लड़की को कुछ बोल रहे थे ऐसे
हो गया आपको जैसे प्रॉमिस किया था
थैंक यू बढ़िया होगा
सर। हमारे बहुत हम सर का बहुत आदर करते हैं, हम बहुत हेल्प करते हैं
सर इज वेरी डायनेमिक पर्सन
डायनामिक और मोस्ट लाउड मैन। हमेशा कूल रहते हैं, हंसते रहते हैं, सभी को हंसाते हैं, सभी को मदद करते हैं। इसका भला और तो पहले करते हैं, ऐसा सोचते नहीं कि आगे। अच्छा
ये मोहिंद्र सिंह सर है शिमला से।
यस सर।
हाँ वो एचपी सिंह सर उधर है दूसरी तरफ।
वो इसलिए बोल रहा कुछ रहा तो बोलिए सर हमारे को अथॉरिटी दी, आप क्या भी रहे काम कर दो, रुकना नहीं चाहिए बोले, इसलिए सर को अभी कल्चरल का 6 बजे 6:30 बजे करेंगे सर,
हाँ,
1.5
बिल्कुल।
घंटा। हाँ सर।
हाँ
बाकी
कल्चरल भी आज
हाँ बोल रहे सर
लोकल
इधर ही होगा।
भी
आई विल आल्सो सिंग वन सॉन्ग मास्टर
हाँ
सॉन्ग
वेलकम वेलकम सर।
पहाड़ी सॉन्ग
हाँ पहाड़ी सॉन्ग हाँ
Her name is Sindhu.
देखो सर
Sindhu. She is from second year.
ಸಿಂಧು
SINDHU. ಇಲ್ಲಿರು ಅವರು ಇನ್ವೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡು ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಿದೆ
हाँ सर शी विल बी
Hello, good morning to all. Those participants, students, or all the dignitaries who are sitting outside the hall, please, they are requested to sit in this hall. Very soon we are going to start this function because our chief guests they will reach in this venue within 2 and 3 minutes. One announcement, please. Those dignitary, students, and participants who are the outside of this hall, they are requested, please kindly come inside the hall. Very shortly we are going to start this program.
ಇವಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ रहेगी सर बोलिए
हो जाएगी बोलेगी आप उनकी दीदी आकर घर गई हुई है तो जब दयाल से बात हुई तो मैं तो हाँ सेक्रेटरी
व्हाट्सअप कर दूंगा ना तुम्हें,
तो व्हाट्सएप करते हो बोलेंगे
मैं शक्ल दिखा दूँ, देख ले कोई
क्या दिखाएगा
आप ही दिखे
तो कहाँ है
इधर में
गूगल चला अभी
नहीं नहीं वो हेलो
ये कहाँ से दिख रहा है अभी?
हेलो मैक टेस्टिंग
ये क्या है
हेलो 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 मैक टेस्टिंग
क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
ये मैंने लाइव कर लिया
कहाँ से?
ऊपर से
लैपटॉप कहाँ दे रहे हैं आप? उसको दे रहे हैं?
मैसेज डाल जूम लिंक ओपन कर दिया, जिसको ज्वाइन करना ज्वाइन कर देगा, चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज डाल दिया, जो ऑनलाइन वो है वो ऑनलाइन है,
अभी ऑनलाइन मीटिंग शुरू कर दिया
नाउ बिकॉज 1 o'clock
हाँ स्टार्ट करो हाँ अभी स्टार्ट करो जल्दी है क्या है
लाइव स्पेस
अच्छा चल रहा है ठीक है चलाओ
अंदर
सब जो कुछ चलना है चलाओ
ये चलो
Dear participants, students or delegates from the different part of this country, as well as some participants from the abroad, I welcome you all in this hall in this 8th International Conference on Global Research Initiative for Sustainable Agriculture and Allied Sciences on behalf of University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka, and Asta Foundation, Merit, Uttar Pradesh. So within 2 and 3 minutes, we will start this function because our chief guest as well as chairman of this conference, they will reach in this venue within 2 and 3 minutes. So all the participants and the students or such scholars who are sitting or standing outside of this hall, they are again requested, please have a seat inside the hall so that we can start these functions in very smooth way and in very wonderful way.
पास बैग है, रोहित के पास ना, बैग में सब सीट पे देना है, वो सीट पे दिया और ना देना उसको, मुझे लगा किसी उसका है कैसे का कितने मार के
जम्मू ने गया होगा लेकिन
तुम सब वहाँ बैठे हैं, रोज बैठे हो वो सीट पे सर्विस
हैं उसको का
One more mic.
Hello, hello, hello. My testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 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 hello. My testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, hello. All are requested. Hello, our chief guest and the chairman of this conference, they have arrived in the conference hall. All are requested. Please have a big hand for our chief guest and the chairman of this conference, Dr. Girisaas sir, who is the chief guest of this function. Vice Chancellor, Agriculture University, Shimoga, and Dr. M. Hanumanta sir, who is the Vice Chancellor of this University Agriculture. Hello? Hello? So without delay,
Stand up. There, Gurran.
so without delay, in any delay in this function, I request chief guest of this of today function, Dr. Girisaas sir, who is the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Agriculture University, Shimoga, Karnataka, and request M. Hanumanta sir, Vice Chancellor, University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur. I also request R.K. Chakravarti, who is our special guest from Dhaka, Bangladesh, Dr. Dilip Jha sir, who is also our guest of honor of this function from Nepal, Dr. Patil sir, Director Education, US Raichur, Dr. S.P. Singh sir, Founder Chairman of the Asta Foundation, Dr. Girisaas Sunkar sir, Dean PGS US Raichur, Shri Basant Gowda Byakwat, Honorable Members Board of Members US Raichur, Shri Mallikarjun D, Honorable Members US Raichur, then Dr. Chandrana, IFS Deputy Conservator of Forest, Koppal, Dr. V. Tamurne, Professors of Plant Breeding, US Raichur. So I welcome you all, sir, on behalf of Asta Foundations as well as on behalf of US Raichur. So, now I request Ms. Sindhu, who is the second year BSc students of Agriculture, for Pratha Geet or invocations. Ms. Sindhu.
श्री विघ्नेश्वरा विघ्ननाशक विघ्नेश्वरा अनुगाल निन्न नाम भजिपे 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 मण्णिनिंद निन्न रूपा पार्वतीय कैय कृतिया रूपका रंजना नमिपे 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 श्री विघ्नेश्वरा विघ्ननाशक विघ्नेश्वरा अनुगाल निन्न नाम भजिपे 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 तंदे शिवन नीयरिये नीयरिये द्वारदीनी रूपका रञ्जना नमिपे 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 श्रीविघ्नेश्वरा विघ्ननाशक विघ्नेश्वरा अनुगाल निन्न नाम भजिपे 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 शूलदिंद संहारा संहारा गजवदनाद के परियारा रूपका रंजना नमिपे 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 श्री विघ्नेश्वरा विघ्ननाशक विघ्नेश्वरा अनुगाल निन्न नाम भजिपे 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 थैंक यू
Thank you, Miss Sandhu, for a beautiful song. And Mata Rani, Mata Saraswati always bless you with such a wonderful talent. Now I request Dr. Girisaas sir, who is the Dean PGS, University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, and also Conference Director in Chief of this International Conference, Girisaas 2023. Sir, I invite you for welcome address in about University of Agriculture, Science University, Raichur, Dr. Girisaas sir.
Good morning to one and all who have assembled here for the inaugural program of Girisaas 2023 today, this awesome morning. The respected the president of today's inaugural function, distinguished guests, then guests of honor, then all the dignitaries on the dais, all key officers of our university, then all Asta Foundation, the member, Asta Foundation, the society members, then university heads, then heads of the departments, all the teaching faculty, non-teaching faculty, and all the participants who came from different parts of the country as well as other countries, particularly Bangladesh, Nepal, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Orissa, Himachal Pradesh, then Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and also the participants from all the universities of, all the farm universities of Karnataka state, and the most important, our students, beloved students, PG students as well as UG students. So it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all for this morning awesome, beautiful inaugural function of Girisaas 2023, organized jointly by Asta Foundation Meerut and University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, from today till 20th for 3 days. So just before I welcome the dignitaries on the dais and all of you, and also press people are also here. The press people are also here, and others, the laborers and other staff of university. So this is as you know, under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. So this year, 2023, is a big bumper harvest year for organizing conferences as well as symposium. So during September 7th and 8th, we have organized National PG Research Conference here, and during October we have organized 57th ISAE annual convocation and international symposium. It's not during October, it is during November, from 6th to 8th November. And today, the Girisaas 2023, jointly organized by Asta Foundation as well as UAS Raichur. So this is a third national or international conference that we are going to organize this year in a series. Apart from this, we have already successful in completing the task of the postgraduate common entrance examination for all farm universities, and the first round of seat allotment is already over on 25th, and second round is also going to take from 1st January. The PG classes are they are going to start throughout the state in all farmer universities simultaneously. So as all of you know, your university is accredited by Indian Council of Research, and also it is a NAAC accredited university. Apart from that, it has got a certificate from UGC, that is 12B certificate, as well as 2F approval certificate. Apart from this, we have got a GI tag for pigeon pea that is produced in Gulbarga and Bidar areas. So these are all the crowns of our university, we can say. Then regarding the university, those who have come from other states as well as other countries, so just I'll take few minutes to tell about our university and what are the activities that are carried out by university. So as you know, this university jurisdiction, it has a jurisdiction of Kalyana Karnataka state, Kalyana Karnataka part of our state, covering 7 districts, right from Ballari, Vijayanagar to Bidar. And the main, this area is surrounded by 2 important command areas. One is Tungabhadra project, another one is Upper Krishna project, and apart from several acres of dry land. And mainly, as all of you know, our university is engaged in 3-fold of activities. One is teaching, research, as well as extension. In teaching, as these are the three wings of our university, and we are forefront in carrying out the needs of our main stakeholders, farmers, as well as students of this jurisdiction, as well as other parts of Karnataka, and also the students coming from ICR. So totally we have 6 colleges here, which are spreaded all over the jurisdiction of our university. And we have one agriculture engineering college located right at the headquarters of university. In research, we have totally 12 research stations, including main agriculture research station at headquarter and zonal agriculture research station at Kalburgi. And apart from that, we have a biofuel park at Tintini. And these are the research stations which we are carrying out mainly research on the field crops such as pigeon pea, chickpea, cotton, then chili, then rice, sunflower, groundnut, horticulture crops like pomegranate, guava, and the ginger, turmeric. So in these crops, lot of research is going on, and we have given several technology to students, as well as several patents have also come from this university. And these technologies are, the research wing is headed by Directorate of Research, the teaching wing is headed by Directorate of Education, and these technologies are transferred to TOT centers. We have totally 7 Krishi Vijnana Kendras located at different parts of the university, and also 6 extension education units. So they are catering the needs of the farmers. And apart from this, in teaching directorate, apart from colleges, we have a Directorate of PG Studies, wherein we are offering MSc program as well as PhD programs in 15 departments. And totally around 450 UG students are graduated every year, and around 330 to 340 students of MSc and PhD students, they are going out from this university. And in case of extension, as I told, there are 7 KVKs and 6 extension education units, and they are popularizing the technologies which are developed by our scientists through Directorate of Research. And some of the technologies that I can pinpoint is we have a pigeon pea nipping technology. We have an ESAP center through which we are advising the farmers, and the technology is related to all the aspects: crop production, then crop improvement, crop protection, and apart from the engineering aspects of related to mechanization, food processing, and value addition. So apart from this, we have created a very good facilities right at the headquarters of university. We have a NABL accredited state-of-art center, that is pesticide residue lab. We have a nanotechnology center. We have a climate change, climate study center. Then we have a very good processing and value addition unit. We have the ESAP, which is nationally important, the software of our university, developed by university. And we have a seed unit. We are multiplying so many the seeds which are required by the farmers of this region. And these are all some of the important the activities that we are carrying out from University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur. So with this background, now I would like to welcome the dignitaries on the dais. First of all, I would like to welcome our Honorable Chancellor and the President of today's function, Dr. M. Hanumantappa sir. As all of you know, he is a very simple and he is very positive, and whenever we organize, not only the PG Directorate, any scientist, if they want to organize any kind of such activities or any kind of training programs, any kind of the activities, he's always on the forefront, he's always on the toes. For this conference also, we got lot of support from our Honorable Vice Chancellor. On the behalf of Asta Foundation and on all of us, I heartily welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. M. Hanumantappa sir. In spite of his busy schedule, he has made it today. Again, we are really luckiest to have the Vice Chancellor of the Shimoga University, Dr. R.C. Jagdish sir. So as you know, so he is also one of the dynamic person. So basically he is a breeder. He has released several varieties for the farmers of this state, and he has made the recruitments for our graduates. Many graduates from Raichur, Bangalore, Shimoga and Dharwad. Recently they got appointment in Shimoga University. When we requested R.C. Jagdish sir, you have to come here and grace this occasion and inaugurate this international event. He has readily agreed and he has made it. He came during the night at 3 o'clock in spite of his busy schedule, and again he has to go to Delhi after this program for taking all the pains for coming over here from Shimoga, and again he has to go to Delhi immediately after this inaugural program. Sir, on the behalf of University, Asta Foundation and all of us who have gathered here, I heartily welcome you for this inaugural program of this Girisaas 2023. And I also welcome one of the popular figure of our country, Dr. S.P. Singh. And as you know, he is known by so many the scientists which are working in university, not only in state, even in other states also. He is a man of organizers of conference, and he is a man of organizing. He has immense potential to organize such kind of training programs, conferences. he has organized one conference in Dubai somewhere during July. And when we went to conference in July, he requested there itself, sir, we want to organize the one international conference at university. Our Vice Chancellor, when we requested him, he has readily agreed for this. And for this, on the behalf of University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, I profusely thank Dr. S.P. Singh, sir, for having given us the opportunity to organize this international symposium. And he is also trying day and night for the last 15 days, because this conference is not only online, it is a hybrid mode conference. Again, online sessions are going on separately. Totally, we have received around 500 abstracts. So for this, I profusely, I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. S.P. Singh, sir, for this inaugural program. I request to receive a bouquet and a token of love from our university. Thank you, sir. Next, I welcome Dr. B.V. Patil, sir, the former Vice Chancellor and founder Vice Chancellor of this university. So in his absence, I also welcome him. Due to his personal engagements, he is not able to make it today. And now I also welcome Dr. Chandrana, the IFS, and he is a Deputy Conservator of Forest. Recently he transferred to Koppal. He is a very familiar figure to all of us. When he was a Deputy Conservator of Forest at Raichur, every day he used to visit our university, and he has given so many programs, particularly planting and other things. When I requested Dr. Chandrana, he also readily agreed. He came all the way from Koppal. And on the behalf of University and Asta Foundation, sir, I heartily welcome you. I request to hand over a bouquet and welcome Dr. Chandrana sir. Our honorable board members, Dr. Basavangada Bagwat and Dr. Sri Basavangada Bagwat and Sri Srinivas Rao Charakuli, they were also supposed to come. So due to their preoccupied work, they have not come here. Probably, so Basavangada Bagwat Sahib may join after some time. In their absence also, I welcome from the organizers. And we have our young board member, the alumni of College of Agriculture, Bhim Rayangudi, and also our university, Dr. Mallikarjun D. So he has also made it here, and he is also supporting us. On the behalf of Asta Foundation and University, I welcome Dr. Mallikarjun sir for gracing this occasion. Please give him a bouquet and then welcome Mallikarjun sir. Then Dr. Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha, very well-known personality in Nepal. So he is also one among the distinguished guests of this program. I wholeheartedly welcome. He also came all the way from Nepal. I wholeheartedly welcome Dilip Kumar Jha ji for this program, this inaugural program. I request to give him a bouquet and welcome. Can you know Vinay Kumar Jha, Vinay Kumar Chakravarti. Vinay Kumar Chakravarti. Next, we have an international guest, Dr. Chakravarti from Bangladesh, and also he is working for consultant for the government of Bangladesh. And really, we can say lucky. He is a very highly experienced and a well-known personality in Bangladesh, and he is also with us today. I wholeheartedly welcome from on the behalf of Asta Foundation as well as EAS Raichur. Sir, please hand over a bouquet and then welcome for this function. So Dr. M.G. Patil sir, as you know, the Director of Education, and he is looking after the helm of affairs of education. So as all of you know, he is always supportive. He is a backbone of all the programs. And I, on the behalf of Asta Foundation and on my own behalf and all of you, I also MG Patil sir for this inaugural program. The registrar, Dr. M. Veerangowda sir. So he is also one of the distinguished guests and guests of honor. I welcome Dr. Veerangowda sir also. Dr. Mahendra Singh. So he is a very, very active person of this the foundation, Asta Foundation, as well as society. That is, they are run simultaneously by Dr. S.P. Singh as well as Mahendra Singh. So he is also with us today. And on the behalf of university, I welcome Dr. Mahendra Singh ji, this inaugural program. So Dr. Themburne, the organizing secretary of this the international conference, the professor and head. So he is working since 7 to 8 days. The registration and all the related activities like transportation, accommodation, all the activities related to conference by being at the forefront. So on the behalf of Asta Foundation and all of us, so let us welcome Dr. Themburne for this inaugural program. Then I welcome our administrative officer, Dr. Jagruti Madam, the controller examination, Dr. Jagjivan Ram, Dr. Pramanik, the scientist from Simla, then all the dignitaries who have come from different parts of the countries, then university heads, heads of the departments, then station heads, KVK heads, then extension education unit heads, and all the faculty members, and the most importantly the students, and finally the press people, and also the staff of Asta Foundation. So with this few words about this morning awesome function, I once again all you for this inaugural program of international conference. On the behalf of Directorate of PG Studies and also from the university, I wish this conference is a grand success, is going to be a grand success for 3 days. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your welcome address and about this University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur. Now it's my privilege and honor to welcome the man of behind this all programs, who has put its full efforts without any hesitations to make this conference a very successful, Dr. Girisaas sir. Because due to your efforts, this could not be happened, because the Honorable Vice Chancellors have given you full hand to organize this conference in a very successful way. Sir, I thank you and welcome you, and also request the students to honor us with bouquet. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. S.P. Singh, sir, who is the founder, chairman and organizing chairman of this conference, for his about overview of this Asta Foundation as well as Girisaas 2023. Dr. S.P. Singh, sir.
Good morning to all of you. It is my privilege to welcome this august gathering on the land famous of historic forts and its unique architecture in the world, which attract the people across globally to visit this place. Honorable Chief Guest of this inaugural session, Dr. R.C. Jagdisha, Vice Chancellor KSN University of Agriculture and Horticulture Sciences, Shimoga, Karnataka. Honorable Chairman of this function, Dr. M. Hanumanthappa Sir, Vice Chancellor, University of Agriculture Science, Raichur, Karnataka. Distinguished guest of honor of today inaugural session, Dr. Chandrana, IFS Deputy Conservator of Forest, Koppal, Karnataka. Guest of honor, Dr. Binay Kumar Chakravarti, International Consultant and former Director of Bangladesh Agriculture University, Bangladesh. Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha, Chairman, Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur, Chitwan, Nepal. Shri Basam Gowda B, Honorable Member, Board of Management, US, Raichur. Shri Mallikarjun D, Honorable Member, Board of Management, US, Raichur. Dr. Srinivas Rao, Honorable Member, Board of Management, US, Raichur, Karnataka. Dr. M.G. Patil, Director of Education, US, Raichur. Dr. M. Viran Gowda, Registrar of US, Raichur. Dr. Gururaj Sunkar, Conference Director in Chief and Dean PGS, and other distinguished guests, faculty members of different colleagues of US, Raichur, delegates from India and abroad, dear student representatives of print and electronic media, and members of different committees of Girisaas 2023. Welcome you all in 8th International Conference on Global Research Initiative for Sustainable Agriculture and Allied Sciences. It is being jointly organized by Astha Foundation, Meerut, and US, Raichur, in collaboration of the Society for Scientific Development in Agriculture and Technology, Meerut, Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, Kanpur, UP, ICAR Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai, Maharashtra, KSN UAHS, Shimoga, Karnataka, and BAU, Ranchi, Jharkhand, Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur, Chitwan, Nepal, and Rashtriya Kisan Postgraduate College, Shamli, Uttar Pradesh, are also associated with this conference. Sir, with the permission of all the dais dignitaries, I would like to throw some light of the progress of Girisaas Global Research Initiative for Sustainable Agriculture and Allied Sciences, a brainchild of Astha Foundation to bring scientists, researchers, academicians, and all the stakeholders from throughout the globe for the betterment of humanity with the involvement of all branches of sciences and related field. It organized the conferences since last 7 years. The occasion of Girisaas are conducted in different themes, and all themes itself explain in the vision of Girisaas. The first Girisaas conference was organized in collaboration with Rajmata Vijayaraje Scindia, Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, during 12 to 13 December 2015. And during the conference, 36 lead papers were presented along with 529 oral and poster presentation in 11 different themes. It's received overwhelming response with the registration of more than 1,000 participants. The second Girisaas International Conference was organized during 2 to 4 December 2017 in collaboration of Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, Udaipur, Rajasthan. And conference was bestowed with 20 lead papers and 1,256 oral and poster presentations in 11 themes, with more than 1,200 registrations in the conference. The third Girisaas International Conference was organized during 28 to 30 October 2018 in collaboration of SKN Agriculture University, Jovner, Rajasthan. And the conference involved the presentation of 24 lead papers in 11 different themes of the conference and 820 oral and poster presentation during the conference with more than 1,000 participants. The fourth Girisaas International Conference was held at ICR National Academy of Agriculture Sciences, NARM, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, during 20 to 22 October 2019. This international conference involved the presentation of 26 lead papers in 11 different themes of the conference of 561 oral and poster presentation during the conference with more than 800 participants. In the 5th Girisaas, which was organized during 28 to 30 December 2020 from the headquarters of Astha Foundation, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, on online mode, in spite of COVID-19 pandemic, it received overwhelming response with more than 1,000 registrations and presentation of more than 500 oral and poster during 3 days conference. 6th Girisaas International Conference was conducted in hybrid mode during 13 to 15 December 2021 with the collaboration of Swami Keswanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, Girisaas 21 had the scientific community of the Astha Foundation and SSDAT. As usual, 11 themes were scheduled and including 24 lead papers and more than 1,000 abstract of oral and poster presentation. On 21 to 23 November 2022, 7th Girisaas was held a hybrid at Birsa Agriculture University, Ranchi, Jharkhand. In collaboration of Astha Foundation, Uttar Pradesh, this international conference has a partner organized like the Society for Scientific Development in Agriculture and Technology, Meerut Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar Agricultural University, Ranchi, Rani Lakshmibai Central Agriculture University, Jhansi, Sri Keswanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner, Rajasthan, ICAR, SIFI, Mumbai, Maharashtra Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur, Chitwan, Nepal. Sir, during all the conferences, all the lead invited papers and abstract of oral and poster presentations have been compiled and published in the form of souvenir and abstract book with ISBN number. These are available of society website www.asthafoundation.in. In this 8th Girisaas 2023, there are some foreign experts from Nepal, Bangladesh, Thailand, USA, Australia, Israel, Philippines are delivering keynote address and oral papers of offline and online mode. The presence of scientists, students and extension workers, the conference and sharing their work throughout the vision and we use the student, emerging scientists and the farming community, and this 8th Girisaas 2023, 11 themes have been merged in 5 broad themes mentioned in the brochure as well as souvenir. The recommendations of 3 days seminars will be submitted for all the major stakeholders and desired applications for the betterment of the family farming community in Southeast Asia. I once again extend the heartily welcome to all and wish you great to wonderful day ahead. Have a nice stay. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, presenting about the Astha Foundations and about Girisaas. This is the 8th Girisaas in a series, and elaborating how you have completed this previous 7th conferences at the different places in collaboration with the premier institutes of the country as well as abroad. Thank you very much. Now I request all the dignitaries, our chief guest of this function, R.C. Girisaas sir, Chairman and Honorable Vice Chancellor of this ministry, Dr. M. Hanumantappa sir, and all the dignitaries who are sitting on the dais for the lightning of lamp.
दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत्
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now it's time to release the conference souvenir. Again, I request Chief Guest, Chairman and Honorable Vice Chancellors of this conference, Dr. M. Hanumanthappa sir, and Honorable Vice Chancellors of University of Agriculture and Horticultural Sciences, Shimoga, and all the dignitaries to release the souvenir of this conference, Girisaas 2023.
Wait. Journal.
Thank you, sir. Now we have also two journals which we will release here. One is Progressive Research, having NAS rating 3.78. We are running this journal since from 10 years by Asta Foundation. Then there is another one journals which is also has been started by this Asta Foundation, that is on Frontier in Crop Improvements, which has been started since from last year, having NAS rating 4.67. Beside these two journals, Asta Foundations is also releasing two books which is on online modes, but due to some technical reasons we could not display that. The title of these books, the title of that books are Agriculture at a Glance and Handbook of Agriculture Services. It is only meant for the students who are preparing for UGPG examination as well as ARS services. These both books are written by Dr. S.P. Singh sir. So thank you very much for releasing of this souvenir and journal of Asta Foundation. Now it is my privilege and honor to announce the name of today's chief guest, Dr. R.C. Girisaas sir, who is Honorable Vice Chancellor of University of Agriculture and Horticultural Sciences, Shimoga, Karnataka. Sir, we are thankful to you by having your busy schedules that you have given to us your presence here. So I request you for your chief guest address, sir, R.C. Girisaas sir.
A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Keladi Shivapanayaka, University of Agricultural Sciences, Shimoga, once again I warm welcome to all of you. The dignitaries on the dais, delegates, officers of this university, faculties, students and media persons. So it's a great privilege for me to be in this conference on global research initiatives for sustainable agriculture and allied sciences organized by University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur. The president of this today's inaugural session and the international conference, my one friend, Dr. M. Hanumantappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor of US Raichur, the President of Asta Foundation, Dr. S.P. Singh, the distinguished guest, Dr. Chandrana, IFS officer, is the Deputy Conservator of Forest, Koppal, the Honorable Member, Board of Management, Shri Mallikarjun D., my good friend, my classmate, Dr. M.G. Patil, the Registrar of this University, Dr. Viren Goda, the dignitaries from other countries, Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha, Dr. B.K. Chakravarti, my own colleague in the university earlier, Dr. Tamburne, is the Professor in Genetics of Plant Breeding, Dr. Girisaas Sunkat, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and scientists, officers of this esteemed university. It's a great indeed a pleasure for me to inaugurate and also release some of the books. So students are here. So whenever the students are there in any function, there is a lot of movement is there. Students are going out and coming back. This is not a classroom. You have to be quiet also to listen to the words of the dignitaries on the dais, and also you have to take down some of the points. This is a learning, this conference is also a learning platform for your career. That's what the boys, students, please keep quiet for some time and also take down some of the points. For other countries, if they attend any conference with anybody students, they have to pay $50. But you have come here free of cost. So you know that government of Karnataka is known for frees. You are also here free for this conference. So what I mean to say is that you have to gain the knowledge from every corner of your learning processes. So firstly, this is a global research initiative for sustainable agriculture and allied sciences. I would like to share my thoughts on this occasion. So first one is the quality education. Whether our agriculture universities, 75 agriculture universities in this country, whether they are providing the quality education or not. That is a question. I think when compared to the other higher education in the country, agriculture universities are giving a great job. Every year 10,000 students are learning, more than 2,000 postgraduates are learning. I think we are giving the best of the best knowledge in agriculture education. The student must know when the first agriculture college was started. That's what we teach in your UG courses, even genetics also, plant breeding course. How this college started, who are the great scientists, how they have come up in their life. Because this is a day you have to think that what you have to become. So this concept of agriculture education has come from a land grant model of the United States. It involves teaching, and you are supposed to do the research, and you are supposed to take the research to the farming community. So this is not there in any of the other education system. It's only in the agriculture education systems in this country. So it's an integrated approach. So now For our UG students and PG students, everything is available on online. So agriculture cannot be learned on online. It's only the offline. You cannot do the weeding through online. Yes, you cannot catch the insects through online. You have to catch the insects, you have to spray, you have to go for the weeding and harvesting. So this is a practical oriented course. For here, there is a lot of skill is involved. So our students should learn lot of skills. So nowadays, after NAP and also IDP NEHP program, we are imparting lot of skills to the students. Skilling, reskilling, capacity building, because our students are little shy when compared to the engineering graduates. They are failed to address the interviews. They are having a very good knowledge, but they are not able to express properly in any interviews. That's what we are focusing more on the personality development of our students. So that you have to learn from your teachers, the capacity building programs, lot of capacity building. This is also a capacity building program that you have to learn. So after your graduation, what is your thoughts? 50% of our students coming from a agriculture quota. Is it not? Yes or no? But how many are going back to the agriculture? Less than 5%. So then we have to think whether to give quota for the agriculture families or not. Our aim of the government is you have to go back to the agriculture, go back to our farm and do the best practices in agriculture. That is the aim of the, but you are searching for other jobs, bank jobs, other jobs. I am not denying that, but we need more youth agriculture graduates in the farming system. That is the aim of the government. Why I am telling, India is a young country in a aging world. 326 million youth are there in this country. That is the strength of this country. At the age of 16 to 25, out of which 200 million youths are belong to the rural areas. For 200 million youths, if we can able to provide very rural skills, agriculture skills, agriculture empowerment, then only can make this country prosperous. When you go to villages, you don't see any young persons. You don't see, only the old. It has become villages are becoming a old age home. But our aim, if this country is to be prosperous, still we need 50% of the job is coming from the agriculture sector. There are a lot of opportunities are there in the agriculture sector. I can tell you. So you can become a private agriculture extension agencies. Don't mind you charge for any information you give to the farming community. You start some entrepreneurs, agriculture entrepreneurs, even the agriculture business, input dealers, biocontrol agents, pesticides, organic farming, value addition, entrepreneurships, agriculture, factories, and export to the other countries. Lot of things can be done by our youths in agriculture if we can able to capture them and import them very good skills. So instead of other graduates, it's very easy to train our students in agriculture, especially in the youth. So that's what, and also what we have to do, because in this hall 90% are our graduates. That's what I am talking little more about our graduates, because agriculture is the only profession where the profit are more than 50%. If you sow one seed in rice, you will get how many seeds? 250 seeds. Yes or no? For one seed. So that much of profit is not available anywhere. But land holding is, though total income may be reduced, but the income is almost doubled when you go for any cropping system. So for this, what we have to do? We have to guide our students in a proper manner. Still they are not aware where the job opportunities are available. They don't know where the agriculture skills are available, where the agriculture farms are available, where the marketing skills are available. So then we have to embrace them, we have to meet with, and also we have to go for a land hand holding for some times in the universities, and we have to support with the funding also. Funding is one support we have to give to the students so that we can be able to encash the skills what you have done. But unfortunately in India, only 5% of the agriculture students are doing the farming. Only 5%. Rest of all from the others. That's what we want to transform this India to more skills. I think we need put lot of agriculture graduates into the rural. There are some social issues. I know that our rural youths are not getting better jobs. Even the marriage is becoming a problem in the rural areas. They are diverting to the other jobs, but still agriculture is a lucrative business if you have a very good marketing skills. That's what we need to teach them, the marketing also. In the farming, farmers produce organizations are doing better in these areas, that you have to do. So this is one. For this we need innovations. So this today's topic is about sustainability of agriculture, research and education. So we have been doing agriculture since many years. What is our productivity levels? The productivity levels are going down in some sectors, especially in the major cereals and pulses and oil seeds, where in other sector, horticulture sector, it's improving. In the animal husbandry, it's increasing. Livestock, it's increasing. Fisheries, it's increasing. But in agriculture, we want to make it as a more profitable, we'll have to go for the value addition. And also, I think we have to provide the precision farming. So 50,000 hectares of land is in protected cultivation in this country, where China is having more than 2 million hectares. 2 million hectares in protected cultivation. The protected cultivation where the yields are 10 to 15 times more than what you grow in the field crops. So if you grow the tomato in a open field condition, your yield will be around 20-25 tons. The same thing, same variety, if you grow in a polyhouse condition, the yields are 80 tons per hectare. Why don't you go for precision agriculture, plastic culture or drip irrigation system so that we can enhance the productivity? So the fertilizer also varies. So whatever the fertilizer we use in agriculture, only 30% are being utilized. All the rest of the 70% goes for the waste. There is a demand. There is a demand for the organic agriculture in this country. 80 to 90% of the waste generated in the farm, generated in the cities will never go back to the rural. The cities are becoming polluted. The agriculture fertility in the villages are decreasing because all your agriculture waste, all the farm waste, all the vegetable waste, everything is dumped in the cities. It is never reutilized and it has never come back. There is a good opportunity for our students to convert the city waste into organic manure with zero cost, with a 1 or 2 some consortia bacteria, then you can sell. So there is a demand of 7% per annum. 7 means 70,000 crore you can earn from recycling the organic waste, and you can send back to the our organic waste into the villages. So the very good opportunity. It's available free of cost. So this is the one thing I would like to say. So this is about the crop production, but we have to diversify the crops. But in this area is known for cotton, known for chilies, known for pulse, bowl of Karnataka, but only the majority they are going for only one crop. I think there is a diversification of the crops is required in these areas. So that is what I request. The forestry, agroforestry, because Kalyana Karnataka is not having many forests. All the forests are dryland forest only. That's what we need to introduce, a very robust agroforestry system for the sustainability of the ecosystem or the carbon emission or the climate change, and along with you can be able to grow the crops which are suitable, and also we can be able to generate very good income in the farming community. So another one is, now the biofuel is coming up in a big way. So last week I was with some of the industries where they want 1,000 hectares fast growing tree species for the electricity generations from a fuel wood. So there is a very good area which is coming up, new areas are coming up, some companies are coming up. We have to grow the forest and give to them, they will produce the electricity out of it. So our research also should be farmers oriented research. But we are publishing a lot of research papers. How many research papers are useful to the farming community? NOS-rated journals we are publishing. But whatever we do the research, it has to be translated into the farmers' benefits. Then only we can make our farmers better. So that's what we can make this system sustainable. And also, so farmers are the receiving end. Farmers have been exploited by the middlemen. Even after 75 years of independence, so many schemes, 90 schemes are there in the rural development sector. Still the farmers are exploited by the middlemen. How to tackle this problem? So this is also the students have to think how to go for this. But the today's technology is very well available today. So our farmers can sell their produce anywhere in this country. FPOs are hand-holding our farmers. Lot of innovations are there. Everything is available, and also the knowledge. Coming to the plant breeding and aspects, the new innovations are coming. So in this country we cannot add the genetically modified crops. So we have BT brinjal in her hand, we have BT brinjal in our hand, even BT, that is red gram is in our hand. It is available with us, but we cannot take it to the farmers field because of some issues. But we are successful in transferring the BT cotton technology to the farmers, and also BT canola in this country. Such very high valued research initiatives have to be taken from innovations and the knowledge. But nowadays, in plant breeding, we have other initiatives like gene editing. By gene editing, we can able to manage the disease resistance or very quality. Red tomatoes can be made into white or the yellows, whatever it can do. We can manipulate the gene like anything with the gene editing. So that's what we have to put gene editing or marker assisted selection or a QTL mapping. So many technologies are available today. Now the plant breeders or the biotechnologists, they have to come forward for getting this technology and also transform. And also, especially wherever the problem of the virus, especially the plantations and the fruit crops, where we can go for a simple multiplication through the tissue culture technology, we can make this vibrant. So our graduates have the ample opportunity to start a tissue culture lab, where the government of India is giving 1 crore rupees for the establishment of the tissue culture lab. 4 or 5 put together, start the tissue culture of banana. Still there is a lot of demand for the bananas, and also pomegranate is the large area in this one, and also melons are there, and also the lime and lemons are there. So those areas we can tackle. Even the sugarcane also we can go for a tissue culture. So these technologies, if we can inculcate into our students or in the system, then only we can make this agriculture more sustainable. But the knowledge transformation is also more helpful. This is the first university in the country to develop a one handheld model called ESAP. Do you know, because of the ESAP developed in this Raichur Agriculture University, which made our life little easy, especially to manage the arecanut leaf spot. We have predicted 2 years in advance the occurrence of the leaf spot. We have well prepared and we went for the some experiments and also remedies. So the technology is available in your hand. So many ICT tools are available. So students can learn these technologies, because every farmer is having a that is called Android phones. We can transfer them technology elsewhere. So especially this insurance, crop insurance, then crop losses can be estimated some apps. So that we can educate the farmers. For one farmer you can charge 100 rupees, doesn't matter. But you have to make them how to use these new tools, especially the crop loss management or the crop insurance, and so many apps. Even the fruit app also you can teach them by taking 100 rupees. When you go to the Rave, you can do that. So that's what we have to use. Many other tools also. Now artificial intelligence is coming. We can go for the prediction modules. Then machine learning is there. But in agriculture, there's a huge data is accumulated. But we are failed to analyze this data. So 1 or 2 statistics or the final students sit together, a PG students sit together, the huge data is available on soil. Soil, especially this university, I think more than 50,000 soil samples being analyzed in a watershed programs, has not been compounded. So that data gives a very good soil fertility map of this, and you can predict which crop can be grown, which crop comes better. So the big data analysis we have to learn in agriculture. So that is what we have to disrupt to this one. And students can also start drone technology. Drone, within 15 days you can become a pilot for the drones. You cannot what you call fly the flights, but at least you can, with this 15 days training, drones. With drones we can able to spray our chemicals, assess the crop loss, you can spray the fertilizers, whatnot. So this can be done by our students, so that they can, for 1 acre, I think if we find it, engage so many persons, rural youth, so you can also become a employer. Then nano fertilizers are coming. But still the awareness of the nano fertilizer is very less, because it is a high efficient use of the fertilizer we have to do. So that's what we need to bring lot of efficiency into the system in agriculture, so that we can make more sustainable. So another one is, we are talking about the conservation agriculture. If you can be able to develop your own seeds, own pesticides, own mechanism, then the cost can be cut down. Using of the local resources, so cost can be cut down. So the conservation agriculture practices, the cost of cultivation has come down substantially less, so that we can make the more agriculture more profitable. So micro irrigation and protected cultivations, I think I have talked about that. Then especially in this area, Krishna and Tungbhadra command area, farmers are using high amount of water. To produce 1 kg of rice, do you know how much water is required? 1300 liters of water is required. You want to export 1 kg of basmati, we are exporting 1300 liters of water. That's a virtual water, what we call. So we have the technology. Direct seeded rice or aerobic culture, we can grow this crop so that the fag-end people who are in the border, they can receive the water. When I came last month to this campus, I was held on the borders of the Raichur because of people was on agitation that the fag-end people are not getting the water. Because this is a drought year. That's what DSR technologies, the water use efficiency, if we can able to teach our farmers, so that is what, and also the farming system. So then, people are talking about the secondary agriculture. I think go for the value addition of this one. All the products, instead of selling directly to the market, you have to become a producer. You have to become a manufacturer. So, the agriculture is today, it is not only the production of the crops. It is not the production of the crops. It is the turning into the value addition, making it a business. So everybody talking about how the agriculture to be transformed into the business. So today, through secondary agriculture, we can transform the agriculture, the production-oriented agriculture to the business-oriented agriculture. That's what you have to teach in the agriculture economics, how to make the agriculture as a business-oriented. This is what we have not learned. So this is possible only because of the students have to go for an extensive market survey, because each market is having known for one a particular product. Where these Jyoti variety is being sold, you have to go to that market, survey and value addition, and you have to put that into the. So it's a highly specific. Even the brinjal market is also highly specific. The vegetable market is so specific that each segment require a particular crop or a particular variety of a crop. That's what you have to go for the market survey and then link that market to your production system, then only the agriculture is going to be more linkage. So this particular area is coming arid crops. So very good arid crops, especially horticulture crops, are available. Fig is the one we can grow in a dry land. Then Musumi is the one, or the limes are the one, pomegranate is the one, then grapes is the one. Any arid crops can be grown, even the fig, burr, all this can be grown, and especially all the ananas can be grown in the hillocks, so that make this horticulture more vibrant. So for this we need good planting material. Students can start the planting material productions. There is a huge demand. Even the forestry planting material productions, there is a huge demand. So we are selling at 50 rupees, where the private companies, they are selling at 150 or 200 rupees. So there is a need of a good planting material in this part of this one. So, and also now we are in national education policy. So multidiscipline is coming. You can join MSc, one subject, leave, go to the next subject and start. You can start your own subject, and also you can ask, I'll go to some other subject. Those things are coming. That is possible in other countries. Now it's going to be more possible in this country. So, and also they can start their own research program. So a lot of liberty is giving under a national education policy. The students must know what is the new education policy, how to transform this agriculture into a business, how to make this agriculture more vibrant. Everything is in the hands of the students. They have to be protected by the elders or the teachers in this college. So with these words, I thank ASTA, University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, especially Dr. M. Hanumantappa. We are working together in Shimoga, and also my own colleague at this university, Dr. Temburne, we are working in the same university for quite some time, because I was working in chilies. He started also working in chilies. Then I moved to soybean. He also conducting some research on soybean. My students are here, those who worked on PhD and MSc in this university only. I am no way different from this university, because when we were in Dharwad Agriculture University, I have been visiting this university regularly from 1987 to 2008 till I went to the Bagalkot University, because I was conducting a lot of trials on chilies, millets, especially in agri, and soya beans. So that's what I was more towards this particular part of this one. So I think we have done a wonderful job. This university is known for its contribution, especially in the field of food technology, agriculture machinery, pesticide residue lab, nanotechnology. I hope that this tradition will be continued forever for the sustainable use of the resources of this university to the farming community. With these few words, thank you very much for the invitation.
Thank you very much, sir, for such a inspiring lectures for the young generations, that what are the different scopes, opportunities and challenges for the younger generations in the field of agriculture, especially in this area, and also what type of different innovative technologies which the young scientists or the academicians, they have to work on that field, so that we can cater our populations of this country or the community of this country. Thank you very much, sir, for this inspiring and valuable lectures or discussions with the students. Now I request Dr. Chandrana, and he is Indian Forest Services Officers, as working as a Deputy Conservator of Forest at Koppal. I request, sir, have a few words on this international conference, Girisaas 2023.
ಸಭೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ 8ನೇ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್, ಈ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅವರು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಚರೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನಾನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟರ್ಸೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಿವಿ ನೆಟ್ಟಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅರ್ತ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈವನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂಥೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, 50% ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5% ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಭೂಮಿನೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ RTCL ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಭೂಮಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ವೈಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವಾಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಟಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಲ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ properties of wastage we are not disposing properly. That is also be hazard to the agriculture. ಈ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಪೂರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ just land holdings of the people, government has made it as a 10 gunta to 53 acre of land. 10 ಗುಂಟ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ಗೆ 6 ಗುಂಟ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉಳಿಯೋದು 4 ಗುಂಟ. 4 ಗುಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 53 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸರೈಸಿಂಗ್ our VC sirs and delegates. All agriculture, as a retired person of the soldier getting a 10 acre of land in any in that aspect, all graduates who is interested to go to field, he is supposed to get a 10 acre of land from government for the farming purpose. In this conference, as policy makers, we have to discuss within this line, then only people will go to farming. And also ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ವೆರಿ ಪೂರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ yield ಆರ್ economic status improvement, in that aspect we are thinking it, not the future generation. Because no, we are using a chemical fertilizers as a per acre is a around 1 quintal or 2 quintals like that. But we are adding to soil other unwanted things to soil. That management we are forgetting it, because soil wealth is much more important. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಣ್ಣಿದ್ರೇ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಇದ್ರೇ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೈತರಿಂದ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೈತರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈತರಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ MOF ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ 33% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ, ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊರತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ A to G ತನಕ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ಗೆ A and B ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಭೂಮಿನ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. C&D ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜನಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಹಸಿವಿಗಾಗಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಬೀಜ ಬಿತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 250 ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ 140 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಹಾರ ಕೊರತೆ ನೀಗಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈನ್ ಫೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಿಂದನೇ ತರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಯಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೋವರ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಭಾಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎವರ್ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಮಿ ಎವರ್ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆಸಿಡಿಯಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಡೆಸಿಡಿಯಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಷಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಥಾರ್ನಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 5 to 10% ಈ 7 ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸುಂಕ ಸರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 7% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 33ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ವೈಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಭೂಮಿ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಪಾಲಿಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ನಾನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಟಿ ವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಸಮೇತ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವಾರ್ಮಿಂಗನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸು ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಹಜಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟೇ ಇರಲಿ. ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕವರನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಟು ಈಟ್ ದ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನಾಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಬೇಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭನ ನನಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮಾನ್ಯ VC ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಹಸ್ತ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಚಿರಋಣಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಯಶೋಧ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಯಶೋಧೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂಥ ತಾಯಿ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿಯ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಶೋಧನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ನ ಬೆಳೆದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು 25 years old ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಟು 7 lakh ವರ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ರೈತರು ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು 25 years old ಟ್ರೀ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 7 lakh ವರ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸಿಂಕ್ರನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವಾರ್ಮಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಕು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರೈತರು ಅಥವಾ ರೈತರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಹಾಗೂ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಈ ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಗೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಫ್ರೀ ಗೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಯಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು kg ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1300 ಲೀಟರ್ ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು kg ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮೋರ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇವ್ ಮೈ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. B.K. Chakravarti, who is the guest on over this occasion. He is working as Director Fisheries and International Consultants, Government of Bangladesh. Sir, I request to have a few words on this occasion, please.
Okay, thank you. Honorable dignitaries and guests, good afternoon to all. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. H. Hanuman Tappa, Vice Chancellor of this University, Raichur, and Honorable Dr. R.C. Jagadisha, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Shivamoga, India, and other delegates, Dr. S.P. Singh, President, Asta Foundation, Meerut, and Organizing Chairman, Dr. Mohinder Singh, Head of the Department of Bioscience in Shimla University, Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha, Chairman, Department of Aquaculture, Rampur Agriculture University, Nepal, and other delegates in the dais. And, of the dais, that is other dignitaries, scientists and researchers, good morning to all. I am extremely delighted and privileged that Asta Foundation, Meerut, India, in association with University of Agricultural Science, Raichur, Karnataka, India, has been going to organize the 8th International Conference on Global Research Initiatives for Sustainable Agriculture and Allied Science from today to 20th December 2023. The main goal of the conference is to explore different ways to invent the technology and how to produce huge amount of quality crops of agriculture and, in my field, aquaculture, for the strong economy and meet of dietary demands of human beings or populations. The United Nations declared 7 that is Sustainable Development Goal SDG to achieve decent lives for all of healthy planet by 2030. What is happening? The aquatic resource and agriculture has been supporting directly goal number 1, no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, decent work and economic growth, and climate action, life below water. On the other hand, what is happening? FAO 2010 already declared the population of the world will be 9.210 billion, and its that is global that is cereal demand will grow 2.123 billion within 2050. So it is not easy to meet the demand of food, fodder, fuel, fiber, fishery and livestock. Severe challenge of hunger, malnutrition, poor health and loss of biodiversity have to free in the coming future. These challenges are the bottlenecks of the process of human development as well. The themes of the conference are very important to mitigate the dietary demand of food with protein and minerals for human populations. I want to say 5 types of Pancha Mahabhuta are the main resource to create a green world which is very much related to human beings. These are Akash Mahabhuta, that is Akash Mahabhuta, Vayu Mahabhuta, Agni Mahabhuta, Apa Mahabhuta, Priti Mahabhuta. These are, first of all, ether, that is Akash Mahabhuta. This is a smaller to speak. All the pores, empty space, symbolize space or others. And Vayu Mahabhuta, that is air, the gaseous form is highly dynamic and mobile. In living organism, this Mahabhuta form the major ingredient of desa. This includes passing the food through the gastrointestinal tract, joint movement, through the nerve impulse and many others. Agni Mahabhuta, this is change the state of substances. Agni forms the Pitta dosha. It is responsible for biotransmission and provides energy. Energy means the food containing carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins like this. Water, Apa Mahabhuta, it is symbolizes liquid form. The lymph, bloods and all other fluids which carry waste product, regulate the body, that is temperature and transport hormone in the body. Lastly, earth. This is represent the solid form. It characterizes rigidity, permanence, stability. The very strong parts of the body include teeth, bone, tissue and cell. These 5 Pancha Mahabhuta is very important for our green agriculture world. Nowadays, the main problems of the agriculture and aquaculture is quality seed and feed, high feed cost, weak value chain links, lack of proper marketing system, industrial pollution, use of agrochemicals, lack of proper knowledge, and that is want of action research. Action research and climate change are the identified for major problems. This conference, I think, will provide a platform for the research of relevant fields to contemplate and present their research paper along with the opportunity to interact with fellow researchers and academicians of their area of research. I am sure that the delegates and speakers will get a forum to exchange their ideas and come to concrete conclusion for future that is agriculture, fisheries, livestock development planning, and conservation of agricultural natural resources. I congratulate the Asta Foundation, Meerut, India, and University of Agricultural Science, Raichur, Karnataka, India, for organizing this important conference, and I congratulate also all the members of the organizing committee for successfully arranging this conference. This is also my great pleasure to meet with the all the delegates of India and other countries. With the warm welcome of distinguished scientists and delegates, I wish the conference a grand success in its objectives and mission. My last conclusion is that, dear academician, you are young generation, and just deliver a lecture, collecting a certificate for your only own. Please do something for the nation. Thank you to all.
Thank you very much, sir, giving us the time. Dear students who are standing in the corridors or outside this auditorium, please have a patience. There are some speakers you can be benefited from their discussions or lectures in your life. I think don't take these things so lightly. This is my humble request from the all younger generations. Now I request all the dignitaries. This is a time for the felicitations of our chief guest, chairman or the chairman of this conference. So I request the all management committee members, please honor our chief guest, and also request the Dr. M. Hanumantappa sir to honor our chief guest of the function, Dr. R.C. Jagdisha sir, who is the Vice Chancellor of University of Agriculture and Horticulture Sciences, Shimoga, with garlands, shawl and memento. Now I request also Dr. M.G. Patil sir, Directors Education, to honor our distinguished guest, Dr. M. Chandrana. Dr. M. Chandrana sir, who is the Senior IP Officers and Deputy Conservator of Forest, Koppal, with garlands, memento and shawl. Now I also request our worthy Vice Chancellor sirs and all dignitaries to honor Shri Mallikarjuna D, who is the Honorable Members of Boards of University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellors and all dignitaries to honor Dilip Karja, who is the Chairman AFU Rampur Chitwan, Nepal, and Dr. B.K. Chakravarti, Director Fisheries and Internal Consultant, Government of Bangladesh, to honors both our guest of honors or special guests from abroad with memento, shawls and garland. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now, after this, we have some awards on behalf of our Asta Foundation. That award is provided to our eminent scholars, researchers, or different seniors, professors, or scientists who has contributed a lot in their particular fields. So, for that awards, I will announce one by one. As per our the jury members, they have decided to give these awards to the various scholars, eminent teachers of the country as well as of the abroad. These are society award. First of all, there is Smith Gyano Devi Memorial Awards. This award is conferred in memory of late Smith Gyano Devi, mother of Dr. S.P. Singh sir. This award has been first time conferred to Dr. A.K. Singh sir, who is the former DDG Vice Chancellor and presently Vice President NAS. And this award is in the form of memento, shawls, certificate and rupees 5,100. And this year this award has been conferred to Dr. M. Hanumattappa sir, who is the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka. Now I request Dr. S.P. Singh sir to honors our Honorable Vice Chancellor this very prestigious award. बच्चों ताली बजाने में कंजूसी नहीं करनी है. हिंदी समझते हो ना? हैव ए बी क्लैप. Now there is another one very eminent award that is on behalf of Society for Scientific Development in Agriculture Technology, and the award is Chaudhary Hans Singh Award. Is again father of Dr. S.P. Singh sir. He was a great freedom fighters and progressive farmers and Kisan Neta. This award is only given to the rank of Vice Chancellors or above. So this year this award has been conferred to Dr. R.C. Jagdisha sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Agriculture and Horticulture Sciences, Shimoga, Karnataka. I request Dr. S.P. Singh sir and Honorable Vice Chancellor of this university to confer the award. The next award is Chaudhary Dimag Singh Award. He is in memory of maternal grandpa of Miss Asta Singh, who is the daughter of Dr. S.P. Singh sir. He was again a freedom fighters as well as a progressive farmers and leading entrepreneurs in the field of agricultural sectors. This year this award has been conferred to Dr. M.G. Patil sir, Director of Education, University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka. Now we have two Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of Asta Foundation, and this year these awards are given to Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha, Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur, Chitwan, Nepal. He is working on aquaculture. And second one, Dr. Vinay Kumar Chakravarti, is a consultant in Bangladesh Agricultural University, Dhaka, Bangladesh, in the field of fisheries sciences. Now I request Dr. S.P. Singh sirs and all dignitaries. Then one more Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of Society for Scientific Development and Agriculture Technology. And this award is given to Manoj Kumar, ICR CITH Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Barmila, Jammu and Kashmir for his agriculture extension work. These were some very prestigious awards which is given on behalf of Asta Foundations as well as for Society for Scientific Development in Agriculture and Technology. Now there are some another awards which we will confer on behalf of Asta Foundation as well as Society for Scientific Development in Agriculture and Technology. Dr. Vasudev Singh Dr. Vasudeva Singh, CSR, CFTRI, Cheluvama, Manisan, Mysore, Karnataka for food science. Now there are certain awards which are also given on behalf of this society. Dr. Ravi Kumar, MR, USAID College of Agriculture and Humanities, Haveri, Karnataka for plant pathology. Then another one is Distinguished Scientist Award. Dr. Gurraj Sunkar Sir, Dean PGS, University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka for plant pathology. Then Outstanding Achievement Awards for Kalol Pramanik Sir, ICA IRRE Regional Stations, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Next one, Dr. Suma TC, University of Agriculture and Technology, Raichur, Karnataka for crop physiology. Then Women Scientist Award, Dr. Rohini Sugandhi, Institute of Organic Farming, MARS US Dharwar, Karnataka. Dr. Rohini is there? No, please. Then Dr. Sweta Kanti, USAID RARS, Vijayapura, Karnataka for Plant Biotechnology, Women Scientist Award. We have another category in the Excellence in Research Award. Dr. C.P. Chandrasekhara, University of Agricultural Sciences, Dharwad, Karnataka. Again, this award is also given to Dr. P.V. Singh, Maharaja Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, Udaipur, Rajasthan, for his contribution in the field of genetics and plant breeding. Then Dr. Anil Kumar, Bihar Agriculture University, Sabur, Bhagalpur. Dr. Anil Kumar. Dr. Shruti Malkarjan Kolor, University of Agricultural Sciences, GKVK, Bengaluru, Karnataka, in the field of horticulture. Shruti Malkarjan is there? No, I think it's not. She's not there. Then Young Scientist Award, Dr. Vijay Kumar N. Livestock Research and Information Center, Devani, Bidar, Karnataka. Dr. Rohit Rana, Rashtriya Kisan Post Graduate College, Shamli, Uttar Pradesh, in the field of entomology. Then Dr. Rishpal Bhatti, Government College, Jewar, GB Nagar, University of Agriculture and Sciences in Uttar Pradesh, in the field of botany. These were certain awards from the side of Asta Foundation. Now there are few awards on behalf of Society for Scientific Developments, Agriculture and Technology. In this field, Dr. M. Madhuswamy, University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka, for Outstanding Achievement Award. Then Women Scientist Award, Dr. Shri Devi S. Chavan, UASR, Main Agriculture Research Station, Raichur, Karnataka, for plant pathology. Dr. Suvrana Patil, Regional Horticulture Research and Extension Center, Kumbaupur, Dharwad, Karnataka, for entomology. Then Dr. Renuka S. Solanki, Dharwad, Karnataka, Family Resource Management. No. Then Young Scientist Award from this society side, Dr. Babita Kondal, the University of Texas, MD Anderson Cancer Center, United States, for Biological Sciences. So we are giving this award in absentia. She will join us in an online mode. Then Excellence in Teaching Award, Dr. Sunil Shriwal, University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka, Farm Machinery and Power Engineering. Not here. Excellence in Search Award, Swas Lande, Pulse Search Unit, Dr. PDKV, Akola, Maharashtra. Then is Dr. Mallikarjun Kingnal, USAR, ZARS, Kalburgai, Karnataka. Dr. Mallikarjun, no, it's not here. Then Excellence in Extension Award, Dr. Baswaraj. He is from USAR College of Agriculture, Gangavati, Karnataka, for Agriculture Entomology. Not here. The last one, Young Professional Awards for Dr. Yashika MP, College of Agriculture, Iravaki, Shimoga, Karnataka, in the field of entomology. Thank you very much for all dignitaries for your this award ceremony. Now there is another award, sorry sir, there is another award which is conferred on behalf of KSN University of Agriculture and Horticulture Sciences, Shimoga for Science Leader Awards 2023, and this award has been conferred to Dr. S.P. Singh sir, who is a principal scientist as well as President Asta Foundation's Merit.
लेकिन उसे ढूंढना पड़ेगा उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा उसको बाद में कर लेंगे उसमें क्लोजिंग में कर लेंगे लो
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request, and it's my honors also, to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor of this University, Dr. M. Hanuman Thappa sir, for his presidential remarks on this international conference, Girisaas 2023. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to one and all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, media persons, my dear friends and students, ladies and gentlemen. We have a 8th International Conference on Global Research Initiatives for Sustainable Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Girisaas 2023, we have organized in collaboration with the Asta Foundation, Meerut, and University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur. This is the one important platform created for the both our scientists as well as students. For this function, we requested our colleague and Honorable Vice Chancellor, KSN UHS Shimoga, Dr. R.C. Jagdish, and the guest of honor, Dr. Chandrana A., IFS, Deputy Conservator of Forest, Koppal, and the main man behind this program is Dr. S.P. Singh and also Mahendra Singh. And the two international delegates, Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha, Chairman, Department of Aquaculture, Nepal, and also another Dr. B.K. Chakravarti, International Consultant and Director, Government of Bangladesh. And also our colleagues, Dr. M.J. Patil, Director of Education, Dr. Viren Gaud, Registrar, and Dr. Girisaas Sunkad, Dean Pages, Organizing Secretary, Dr. Tambarne, and all other my friends and media persons. So, regarding the today's program, our chief guest very clearly mentioned, particularly with respect to the global sustainability is concerned. Particularly, we have a 17 global sustainable index. Out of that, education is one of the important priority, and many other things our already guest of honor and chief guest has very clearly explained. Particularly, this conference, totally 5 themes, all the themes particularly defined very clearly with respect to the sustainability is concerned. First one is technical session, innovation in crop improvement, biotechnology, genetic engineering, precision horticulture, agroforestry, and impact of climate change on biodiversity and food security. This is a very, very important theme and as well as topic, particularly with reference to the Global Sustainable Index is concerned. Present day, we are facing a lot of problems with respect to the climate change and its action. This is the most important aspect we have to tackle with respect to the genetics, gene editing, all these things we have to cover in these things. So next 2 to 3 days we have discussed in length, particularly this aspect is concerned. Next is second theme is, that is the technical session 2, advances in disease and pest management, livelihood and sustainability management practices, post-harvest technology, food processing and value addition for augmenting the farmers' income. So this is also another important topic with respect to global issues concerned. Food production, where we have stands. With respect to the Global Sustainable Index is concerned, India stands 112th position out of 160 countries. This is the fate of our India. With respect to the population is concerned, we are the number 1. So in that context, we have to think very seriously, particularly Global Sustainable Index is concerned. With respect to our own neighboring country, Bangladesh, much higher than India, and with respect to the Pakistan is concerned, 128th position. So this is the positions of Asian countries is concerned. So with respect to the number 1 countries is Finland, with respect to Global Sustainable Index is concerned. With respect to the India is concerned, Kerala is the number 1 sustainable index with respect to the 97 score index. So our India is concerned 62 score with respect to the sustainable index is concerned. With respect to the sustainability is concerned, we have to sustainable with respect to the soil. Soil health is also very, very important. Environment, pollution and energy. How to tackle all these things, this is the most important aspect with respect to the Indian is concerned. So with respect to the food production, by 2030 we have to make a zero hunger. This is also one of the sustainable goal with respect to the sustainable index is concerned. 2030 the zero hunger. At presently we are producing nearly 340 million tons of food grains, much higher the horticulture production is also nearly 350 million tons. Even though we are facing the deficit of food and also malnutrition. These things we have to elevate and we have to make the India is self-sufficient with respect to the food grain production and as well as food security and also nutritional security is concerned. With this aspect we have to cover in these themes also. With respect to the third and also we have to tackle with respect to the global economics as well as doubling the farmers' income as our Prime Minister's dream. So technical session 3 is the key factors for crop productivity, cropping system, agronomic and soil health management practices, farm mechanization, indigenous technology for IPR issues. With respect to these things, we have to take care of soil health, particularly management of crops with respect to the crop rotation. We are following monocropping, definitely it will lead us to the soil deficit with respect to the particular element with respect to the N, R, P, R, K. These are major nutrients. Particularly we are facing with respect to the Tungabhadra command area is monocropping, paddy, palace. Definitely will face a lot of problem with respect to the pest and disease as well as nutrient deficiencies. As our chief guest very clearly mentioned, we have negative balance with respect to the nutrient is concerned. We have to replenish return back to the bank balance, particularly nutrient is concerned. We are taking away from the tons together to the cities and cities are polluted. This is also sustainable goal index, one of the clean city, clean water, sanitation, all these things are in the sustainable goal index is also there. Those things we have to take care with respect to the particularly cropping system, cereals followed by pulses. We have to manage the crop rotation in order to maintain the pest and disease in control. So like that. So another fourth one is recent advances in animal health, animal nutrition and husbandry, dairy, poultry and fisheries. This is also most important with respect to the agriculture is concerned. Agriculture without the dairy science will not be complete. Both should be hand in hand, agriculture and animal husbandry. And we are also facing this, as Chandana is rightly pointed with respect to, we are facing animal and man conflict. Because of, we have entered their areas, especially forest areas, we are cutting the trees, and because of human wants are unlimited, means are limited. We have to restrict ourselves for the cutting of the forest is concerned. So finally, these things also we have to take care of and also maintain the soil sustainability and productivity. Fifth session is new areas with respect to the physical, chemical and mathematical, biological and social sciences, remote sensing, smart agriculture, information technology, digitalization agriculture. This is also new era of the agriculture. Agriculture also we have to take it in consideration with respect to the digital agriculture. ICT is used in agriculture. Marketing link is agriculture. Everything is controlled without man. That is also there by drone technology, image processing technologies for identifying the weeds, pests and diseases, as well as GIS and GPS, all these things we have to, and especially with respect to the water management is concerned, we have to use the sensor-based irrigation system, where you have to take care of the integrated pest, disease and water management practices. With respect to our university, we are also taking care of all these things, especially, particularly nutrition aspect is concerned, millet. So our university has contributed significantly with respect to the millet research and value addition, processing and marketing. Similarly, with respect to the soil analysis, food analysis and pesticide residue analysis, we have a NABL accredited lab, and it is a network projects of in other states also. And we have also NABL food microbiology lab and also pesticide formulation lab also, and also nanotechnology. With this, this university is organized the seminar, especially in collaboration with the Asta Foundation. Definitely it will improve the strength and standard of our university. I thanks to Asta Foundation for choosing this place for this 8th international conference in our university. I thanks to once again SP Singh and team for their contribution. He also given many awards to our young scientists. Thus, that will definitely help for your future career, as I witnessed. So since from the first or second conference I participated, I got also several awards. Definitely that will add our biodata and further our career development. I hope that I also got it Best Scientist Award, Best Research Award, Young Scientist Award, and also many of the distinguished awards also. Now finally I got it a Lifetime Achievement Awards also. Like that, this is the stage created for you people. Definitely you can make use it, especially youngsters. We have not got the opportunity, especially like you people. We never seen the international conference during my student life. You are the definitely luckiest persons. You can see you can participate. What is the type of they are going to conduct? Definitely you can make use this opportunity. You can grab it and show it your talent also. I once again thanks to the organizer giving me opportunity for as a presidential remarks, and I thanks to everyone. This 3 days program definitely it will helpful for the all the young and budding scientists as well as our students also to participate still more higher conferences. They build up their confidence. I wish you all the best to everyone. Thank you one and all.
Before the final event, that is vote of thanks, the society, Asta Foundation and society has awarded 2 more awards. Again, Distinguished Scientist Award from Asta Foundation goes to Dr. Mahendra Singh, Himachal Pradesh University, Simla. I request Dr. Mahendra Singh, and also I request all the dignitaries on the dais to present the award to Dr. Mahendra Singh, that is Distinguished Scientist Award. Okay, thank you. So also, the society has awarded the Outstanding Achievement Award. Outstanding Achievement Award. This year it is conferred to Dr. K.K. Pramanik. K.K. Pramanik हो गया क्या पहले? Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellors, for such a wonderful, inspiring and innovative ideas or lectures or discussions. Now I request Dr. Mahadev Swami, sir, who is a professor in Head Department of Microbiology, for the vote of thanks.
Dignitaries on the dais, officers, my colleagues and student friends. I am very happy to be here to say word of thanks. Firstly, our beloved Vice Chancellor is a very simple person, but very a positive approach having kind of a person, and a lot of encouragement to the young faculty as well as the students. To organize this kind of a international conference, his efforts and ideas and thorough meetings, 5 to 6 officer meetings, then team Asta Foundation team members, along with them he has a lot of discussion meeting, and different committees he has conducted a lot of meetings. Not only that, he has encouraged lot of he has given a lot of ideas to come this particular stage. So, and also he has given the best remark, presidential remarks. So he has given the sustainable index, how to improve the sustainability index, as well as the production of to achieve the sustainability, as well as the production of profitability, as well as by following different aspects of the different crop rotations, as well as to meet the zero hunger, to meet the demands of the need of the farmers. So how you have to go in a longer way. So that is his suggestions. We will consider your suggestions on the behalf of all presence here. So on behalf of Asta Foundation as well as the US Raichur, to Honorable Vice Chancellor, give him a big applause. Thank you very much, sir. Secondly, our chief guest, Dr. R.C. Jagdish, sir, is a well-known breeder, but he has given a lot of input and innovative ideas to the youngsters, especially the faculty and students. Learning platform to earn the knowledge. Today, I think the students have learned a lot of things, because the soil health management, the ways and means to meet the demand of a farmer, as well as the opportunities available, as well as maintain a soil health, as well as the energy transformation. Say, for example, the matter cannot be destroyed or created, but it can be recycled. Okay, any constituent that has to be converted in one form to another form, that requires the microbes, the presence of microbes. Then only the conversion of one form to another form to get the energy. Say, for example, another side is mentioning the biofuel, the energy value of the forest tree. So for example, during the inauguration lamping, light lamping, we have used a matchstick. That matchstick is manufactured by Islanthus excelsa. So that is the value of a burning value of a particular tree. So like that, the agroforestry system. Another side, if you grow one particular casuarina tree and a bunch of a rice plant, it can fix us 50 to 150 kg of atmospheric nitrogen. So that is the value of a particular tree. That's why agroforestry system as well as the value additions and innovative ideas to achieve all these. So our Prime Minister of India is bringing a lot of changes in the education system, that is National Education Policy through the NIHEP. So that is the value of learning and learning platform for the students as well as the through capacity building our faculty is also improved. So we are taking your valuable words, sir. Definitely our faculty and students are taking these ideas on behalf of the Asta Foundation as well as the university for accepted as a chief guest for this particular conference. We thank, sir. We are very much thankful for your presence here and giving the valuable word and lighting the lamp and giving the awards to the different faculty members of across the country. So we thank him by giving Dr. Jagdish sir a big applause. Give him a big applause. Thirdly, all these to happen, the one person behind to this particular conference, that is none other than SP Singh. I know him since from 2016 when I had gone Hyderabad to attend this particular ICASA conference. He is a very excellent person. He is also just like our Vice Chancellor. He is a very simple, hardworking and very interactive and approachable. So to anything, the conference to be a success, he is the person behind. He is the president of Asta Foundation. Meerath is the organizing conference. Every year in different locations he is organizing conference. So this is one of the event to note of it that he is a very important person. So on behalf of the Asta Foundation as well as the US Raichur and the people who are present here, I thank him by giving him a big applause. Give him a big applause. The next important personality is our Director of Education, Dr. M.G. Patil sir. He is handling NIHEP in addition to that, and he is giving a lot of, as like our Jagdish sir is mentioning, our M.G. Patil sir is giving a lot of skill-based training to the faculty as well as the students in order to empower our students through our capacity building program. So not only his gracious presence in this particular conference is a boost for us. So give him a big applause for this particular gracious presence on this particular conference. The next, the personality is Dr. M. Veeranagowda, Registrar, US Raichur. His silence and gracious presence is always gives a lot of value, and his gracious presence in this particular conference is also a valuable, this one. Give him a big applause. And one more chief guest, our Dr. Chandrana sir. He is a very integral part of our any program to be happened here. So he is the man who is always encouraging for green graduation in our university. Whenever we take up the tree planting, he is always present, whether he is in Koppal, whether he is in Raichur. Means the integrated approach of the trees as well as the microbes as well as agriculture, the crops. So always boost the soil fertility as well as because the trees gives a lot of biomass. In order to convert that particular biomass into organic manure, our role of microbes, he has mentioned microbes, that will convert into a good organic manure to grow the more of forestries as well as the agricultural crops. So on behalf of this particular occasion, so give me a big applause. I am very thankful to you sir for your valuable words for this particular occasion. So next, two important our board member, Dr. Mallikarjun D. is a very young BSc Agri scientist and board of management for our university to give lot of ideas. His silence and gracious presence also gives lot of value for this particular conference. Give him a big applause. I am very thankful to sir. Dr. Dilip Kumar Jha. Firstly, he's also a very important personality. We have heard his name, but we have seen him directly. So he's a very excellent personality, Chairman, Department of Aquaculture, Nepal. So your presence is very much gives a lot of value for this conference, sir. So on behalf of everybody here and Asta Foundation and US Raichur, we thankful to you, sir, for your gracious presence. Give me a big applause. And one more personality, Chakravarti. He has also mentioned a lot of value to the words to the students as well as the faculty. Especially we take your words and follow another 2 days of this conference. We give him a big applause. And one more important personality is our Mahendra Singh. So since from 8:15 I am available here to make arrangement for all this facility. So Mahendra Singh, 8:20 has come here, and since from 8:20 he is with us. He is just like our US faculty like. So that shows the youngster as well as his valuable involvement in the program is that indicates. So give him a big applause for his valuable presence here. And also one more personality, that is in addition to SP Singh, one more personality is that our Tamburne. So he is last 1 month he is striving, making all these arrangements, making all committees and informing to the people and making a guest house arrangements, transport arrangements. Not only that, collecting the abstracts and collecting the fees also, giving the receipts. Okay, so everything is whenever he is having some difficulties, Swami, is just please help me like that. So that is the value of the Tamburne. So give me a big applause for a co-organizing secretary and important personality for this particular occasion. And I thank all the officers who are present here for their gracious presence. And also especially the special officer, that is Girisaas Sunkar sir. So he is last 1.5 months, he is not leaving us. So may please come after 6:30 he is calling. So please come and make arrangement all this. Like that he is calling me and Tamburne. Means the involvement in the conference, that is the hard-working nature of Girisaas Sunkar sir. He is the director for this particular conference for these 3 days. He is a very important personality. So for your efforts and hard work, we give him I am very thankful, sir. Give him a big applause. And also I am very thankful for all the head of the departments, head of the departments and faculties and non-teaching members, as well as the delegates across the country and abroad. So I am very thankful for your gracious present and hope you will enjoy all these 3 days in future. And also the HODs, especially they are very, very important for this conference. They have contributed a lot of information and different activities. And also the press media, as well as our community All India Radio, the press media, especially the Mallikarjunan team, as well as our community radio station and All India Radio station, they are also presence here. Their involvement is also very important for us. We thank them by giving a applause, big applause. And also the faculty officer from Ballari agreed, the dean agreed, the Ravi Shankar. We give him a big applause by thanking him for his gracious presence here. And also the different committees, food committee, program committee, and arrangement committee, foster session committee. So every committee, chairman, co-chairman, conveners, I am very thankful for and hope you are encouraging all these 3 days. We give them a big applause, and by thanking them, give them a big applause. And especially, I am very thankful for students. Our Jagdish sir is mentioning, keep silence. This is not the way of respecting the people. It carries wrong way. Okay? The student, while running some programs, you should be very, very disciplined. Because you have learned a lot of things, you are a disciplined person, but you are murmuring while speaking by VIPs. Okay? So hereafter, I am just requesting you not to murmuring while running the program. Okay? So I am very thankful for the students, especially the PG, PhD and research faculty, as well as the UG students, undergraduate students of both agriculture and engineering students. I am very thankful. Give them a big applause. Sir? Sir. Thank you one and all. If anybody forgotten, I am very thankful for everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. बच्चों अभी थोड़ा वेट करना. Now there will be a national anthem. I request all the dignitaries for national anthem. Then there will be one for group photograph. National anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. All are requested for this group. All delegates as well as students, जितने accommodate हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे.
राम जी